Alright guys, here's part 2 of Mixed Bowl Mini Trains. We've already taken all of these out of the bowl. We still have some more to get to. Next up is Cyborg Spencer from the DC Comics collection. They're new. Next up is Classic Steven the Rocket. And we have Superhero Victor. Next up, got it caught up, is Classic Percy. And we have Racer Thomas. Then we have Classic Diesel 10. Got Steven now. Next up is Chillin' Sydney from the Chillin' category. She's like decked out for Christmas. Classic Gator.
How do you do?
Then we have, ooh, I love this one. This is Joker Diesel 10 from the DC Comics collection. And look how cool he is. It's like the comic books. This is ha 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 written on him with a Joker card. And it's even got the face paint. So cool. Next up is Superman Thomas. This is another one of my favorites. He's even got the hair, the cape, and the Superman logo on the side. And one more. Which one? Dino James. Alright guys, thanks for watching our videos. Hope you enjoyed. Grayson, say bye. Thanks for watching our videos.
Daddy finger, daddy finger.
You and that daddy finger. Alright guys, thanks for watching.